Hey guys, so today I'm just gonna do a quick stick on of this sponsor stickers that I got made from one of the sticker shops around here, and I just thought something would look pretty cool if I put this thing on my van. These are the brand names of the items that I have on my motorcycle, so I'm gonna stick it on my van and stuff. Okay, so obviously the first thing you're gonna do is prep the side where you're gonna stick them, and make sure that it's not dirty. And I've done that by basically applying a soap and then scrub and typical car wash stuff, but I didn't put wax on them or whatever. Just something that would take off the dirt and grease and things like that. Okay, so I'm gonna stick it right here. I've figured out the spot where this thing is going to land, so it's just a matter of application now. Okay, so let's check this thing out. So guys, I underestimated the peeling of this part off of this part. I thought it would be easy, but it was kind of hard because of all the little letters and things like that that needs to transfer over to this transparent side in order for me to stick them and stuff. So I had to put it on a table and really carefully take it off of this, or else letters and art and parts will be missing. Okay, so here it is now, and I'm ready to stick it on. Okay, once you lay this thing down evenly, we're pretty much done after you stick this thing, because you cannot adjust it anymore, okay? Because this is all lined up. So if this one right here is crooked, everything will be crooked. So now that that's on there, you got to get a napkin or something that you can use to press this thing with, okay? Let me go get something. Okay, I got this sponge right here. I'm just gonna drain it off a little bit. And I'm gonna use this to push that. Okay, so that should stick there. So pulling this, you need to be careful, and the same way when you pull the film, you need to be careful. Make sure that all the letters and numbers and all the characters stick. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. Hopefully we're a success here. So we're gonna be peeling this top film off. Make sure all the character stays stuck on the vehicle. So you gotta do this thing really, really carefully. I don't know any other technique except for the technique that I know, that I learned from a very, very young age, sticking stickers on, to be very careful. I'm pulling this thing at a very least of an angle. And if you need to use your other hand to push in the characters that may lift off of the side, then do so. So far so good though, just don't rush it. Okay. Leave some more slack, get some more slack from up top. Looking good. We are 90% stuck. All these little letters, see that? It's all staying, that line staying. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that was good. That is successful. All these little dirt will just come off later. So I wouldn't suggest for you to wash this or clean it up right away. Just let it stick there for a little bit more, okay? Let the sun dry the glue, and looks pretty good, I think. Let me give you guys a close-up.